Hi, in this video you will learn how you can resize an image in Canva Pro as this feature is only available in Canva Pro. I have already made a thumbnail in Canva. To learn how to make this thumbnail, click on the link in the description box. Now let's resize the image. On the top left, click on Resize. Enter your required pixel size. I want to resize this thumbnail to 1280 into 769 pixels. Click on Copy and Resize. Your picture has been resized. To download your picture, click on Share and tap on Download. Here you go. This is my resized image. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.